Want to learn how to start a healthy at-home yoga practice? Introducing my Build a Practice yoga cards deck, each with an illustration of the pose or exercise on the front, with alignment cues and modifications of how to get into every position on the back. Every pose card is numbered and categorized, and can also be used as flashcards to learn Sanskrit, with the English name on the front and the Sanskrit name and pronunciation written on the back. With zero knowledge of yoga, these cards will give you a great place to start. There are also extra beginner yogi tips, including what type of gear to invest in, breathing, and integrity. If you are a new yoga teacher, then this deck was made for you. Use as flashcards and as a visual tool to create your own sequences. Then, write your class sequences in the notebook, along with any other class notes you may have. I remember yoga teacher training, which was a beautiful, life-changing experience for me with a lot of note-taking, as in I wrote tons of flashcards to learn cueing in Sanskrit. I know for myself that I'm a visual learner and like to have something physical to hold in my hands. And if I'm going to invest into something physical, I want to make sure that it's beautiful and worth the investment. Which is why I gave them a fun tarot-inspired design with matte finish cards and gold foil details with a mantra, "Keep your mind strong and your body will follow," included on the box. Each card is 5 inches by 3.5 inches, slightly larger than an average deck of cards, so that you can clearly see each pose when you are standing on your mat and when they're laid out next to you on the floor. So what exactly is included in this deck? Well, you get 72 cards in total. This includes 60 yoga poses, 3 breathing exercises, 5 theme sequences you can follow along to by laying the cards out next to your mat, 1 meditation card, 1 index card, 1 how to use these cards card with beginner tips included, 1 find us on social card, and 1 create your own sequence notebook. This is to inspire you to be creative and design your own sequences. So write them down in the notebook or use as a mini journal. I am an open book over here, so please leave any questions that you have in the comments down below. To see exactly what yoga poses, breathing techniques, and theme sequences are included in this Build a Practice yoga cards deck, you can find the link in the description down below. The time to begin this powerful, life-changing practice is now. Learn, create, flow on your time, anytime, and anywhere.